me, Ali here, and today we are going to be making some slime. So let's go. So what we will need is a bowl, some glue, paint, and like a mixing stick, and also a cup of borax. So I'm going to be following the recipe of this like slime glue thing, and that's what it told me I needed to get. So I'm going to try and follow the recipe as much as I can. So it says first we got to put this PVA glue in and a half a teaspoon of paint and the same amount of this in water. So I'm choosing red paint because we're going to try and make some pink, and we're just going to squeeze all this in. And it might take a while. And what I like to do, since this is the same amount of glue as the water we need, I'm just going to fill this back up with water, and then it will be easier, and then it will get all the excess glue that's still in here and still put the same amount of water in. I'm just pouring all this in, and I'm just going to take off this lid here now and pour the rest of it in an easier way. Just like that. Oh wow, that was a big bit. Guys, I've got a bubble. Hey, it's not popping. My God. Oh, another bubble. Oh my God. I'm just gonna use my stick to get some of the rest out. Okay, now let's grab some water. That's not gonna stay. Okay, let's go and grab some water, and I'm going to be filling this up. Ew, there's like bits of dried glue. Okay, yeah, let's go and get some water and fill this up. Okay guys, so I got my water in this, so let's pour it in. So we needed 120 mils of PVA glue and water. So now that we added all that in, we are going to be adding a half a teaspoon of poster paint, or just paint. So let me just put this here. So what I'm going to do is, since I've got red, I'm going to try and make a pink. Should we mix this first? But we're going to do half a teaspoon of this, and I can't open this. Okay, so we've got our paint open. So now I've got my teaspoon here, and we're going to try and do half. Okay, let's just do this. This much will do. I can't really show you guys, and it's really runny, so it will fall off, but I have got pretty much half a teaspoon, so let's pour that in. So I'm just going to dip this in to kind of get the rest of the paint off, and we are going to mix that in. Okay, there we go, it's all mixed in. And now we are going to add some borax. Yes, so we need a small amount of that. So what you need to make this borax, it said, is a half a tablespoon of the borax crystals, and then 120 mils of water, warm water. It's got to be warm. Okay, so now I'm just going to pick it up, and I'm going to do one at a time. So I'm only doing a little bit because I don't want to overactivate my slime. So I always seem to do that, so that's why I'm not the best at making slime. So I'm just going to mix that in. I like to take the blobs of slime out because it will get over and over activated, and yeah. So I made a whole cup full of this slime. And oh my God, you guys. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. There's so much of this slime. And it's like such a pretty pink color. Like, you guys probably can't see how pretty it is, but it is so pretty. So pretty pink, and I will be, if this doesn't work, which it tears a lot, well, that's probably just how I make mine, but I will be adding some boiling water to it, or just hot water, probably just hot water, and see how it turns out. And I will be posting that soon, but it like does poke, and yeah, it just breaks a bit. So yeah, I'm going to be adding some hot water on it and see if it stretches a bit better, and I will be posting that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing stuff. Bye guys!